aloe vera has earned its reputation as a natural supplement superhero. Through centuries of traditional use and growing scientific interest in its bioactive properties. Known for its thick, gel-filled leaves, aloe vera contains vitamins, minerals, antioxidants, and polysaccharides that contribute to its wide range of applications. In modern wellness, it is most commonly associated with skin health, where its soothing and anti-inflammatory properties help relieve burns, promote wound healing, and support hydration. Beyond topical use, aloe vera is also consumed as a supplement for digestive support, immune modulation, and metabolic balance, with some studies suggesting potential benefits in blood sugar regulation and gut health. Its antioxidant compounds may help reduce oxidative stress, supporting overall cellular function. However, aloe vera is not without limitations. Improper formulations, especially whole leaf or latex-based products, can cause gastrointestinal side effects and should be used with caution. Choosing high-quality, properly processed supplements and using them responsibly is essential. When viewed through a scientific and critical lens, aloe vera stands out not as a miracle cure, but as a versatile, evidence-supported natural supplement with meaningful health-supporting potential when used correctly.